My name's Murell. I'm a duty manager here at the Treaddur Hotel and I did the licensed hospitality apprenticeship. The reason I chose hospitality as my career is I feel my personality suits it. I like dealing with people and customers and I like talking, so I do feel that it was made for me, hospitality. So the best thing about the apprenticeship was that I gained my cellar management course and my personal licence, which now helps me in the job role that I do. With Anwen, who was my assessor, I think I had a very good relationship with her. I found that she worked my rota around her as the needs of the business changed and my hours changed. So I felt that I could call her if I needed any help with any research I was doing, so I found her very accommodating to my needs and my work life. The apprenticeship has helped my career as I gained a personal licence which I now use in the event side of my work. So I work upstairs with the bar, so it's really helped me with that. I've gained a lot of confidence in knowing the legal and the operational side of the licence and the hospitality. And I'm looking forward to starting my level 3. If somebody was considering doing this apprenticeship with Anwen or with anybody else, I would say grab it with both hands, enjoy it and learn everything you can from it.